At SCC, we make sure your dreams happen. Experience our one-stop shop enrollment process. After 1 day, enrolled ka na. Southern City Colleges, the school that cares. For information and inquiries, contact us at Southern City Colleges Central Campus at 992-6492. Southern City Colleges West Campus at 984-2386. Southern City Colleges East Campus at 957-1479. Or visit our Facebook page, Southern City Colleges, and our website, www.scci.edu.ph. Or you may email us at sps@scci.edu.ph. Enroll now!
Swak na sweetness, swak al sarap i-affordable ice cream in Knickerbocker. Kusa pa to espera, taki LR&R Ice Cream Corner Zamboanga City. Estel mga available ice cream flavors, ube, durian, strawberry, cookies and cream, mango and avocado. For more inquiries, you can contact Culianan Branch 0995-176-1663, Ayala Branch 0976-240-6968, or 0976-243-6975. Or you can check their FB page at R&R Ice Cream Corner Zamboanga City.
Southern City Colleges, the school that cares. Campuses: Southern City Colleges Central Campus, Southern City Colleges West Campus, Southern City Colleges East Campus. For new entrants and transferees, we offer complete junior high school for grade 7, 8, 9, and 10, and relevant tracks and stands for incoming grade 11 senior high school. Courses offered: academic strands, accountancy, business and management, general academic strands, humanities and social science, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, technical vocational strands, home economics, caregiving NC2, food and beverage services NC2, housekeeping NC2, front office services NC2, wellness massage NC2, industrial arts, shielded metal arc welding NC2, electrical installation and maintenance NC2, information and communication technology, computer system servicing NC2. At SCC, we make sure your dreams happen. Experience our one-stop shop enrollment process. After 1 day, enrolled ka na. Southern City Colleges, the school that cares. For information and inquiries, contact us at Southern City Colleges Central Campus at 975-6892. Southern City Colleges West Campus at 984-2386. Southern City Colleges East Campus at 957-1479. Or visit our Facebook page, Southern City Colleges, and our website, www.scci.edu.ph. Or you may email us at sps@scci.edu.ph. Enroll now!
High-quality printed tee, sublimations, apparels patutabos ka? You can find it at S3 Print and Apparel like no other. Made with high-quality clothing that will surely bring your game on top. Located at Nunez Street, Barangay Zone 3, Zamboanga City. Opens every Mondays to Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Or you may call them at 0935-370-0156. High-quality clothing that suits your style and budget. Akilang ese na S3 Print and Apparel.
Southern Heights Recreational Park by Cali Farms. Southern Heights. Do you want to give yourselves a good break? Treat yourselves with the best outdoor adventure, serene beauty of nature, and calming ambience at Southern Heights Recreational Park by Cali Farms. We are making our sites better for you to see. Southern Heights. Better accommodation for you to feel. Good food for you to taste. Southern Heights. Experience our 1.1-kilometer zip line and create the best memories to remember. An experience worth trying. Experience Southern Heights by Cali Farms. Southern Heights Recreational Park, located at Kilometer 10, Camp Susana, La Paz, Zamboanga City. For inquiries, call us at 0906-574-3640 or visit us on our Facebook page at Southern Heights Recreational Park.
Gusto mo bang kumita? O gusto mo bang mag-reseller? Worry no more!
Yo, juego zamboangueño verdadero, el talento que bien real, maga estilo ya. CBL, de veras el
Good afternoon, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat dito sa ZBL Season 2. Ang yung lingkod po, John Penoy Ibrahim, kasama ko po si Sir
DJ Tam Silani.
Yan, Season 2, welcome back. Season 2 ZBL, Zamboanga Basketball League dito sa Southern City Colleges Coliseum Divisoria. Of course, magpapasalamat muna kami sa mga sponsor at saka sa mga partners natin. Ang All TV, Mayor John Dalipe, Congressman Manix Dalipe, YN Builders, Triple H Construction, Bendimel Construction, Expo Home Depot, Southern City Colleges, Home of the Bulldogs, AMT Providers, Albury Advertising, King's Laundry, Queen's Laundry, Boboy Aragones, King Pay Trade Center, of course, ang damit natin.
Yes, of course, we would like to extend our thank you so much, no, the owner of the JT, si John Tandi, no, sir.
JT.
Yes, JT, no.
Marketing.
So, yes, we would like maraming salamat sa JT Sports Marketing.
Ayan, no.
Sir.
Sino ba yung maglalaban ngayong hapon?
Yes, another exciting ball game tonight. We have the Divisoria Lexans versus the Sambuwood Timbers. No, si mira kita na team standing dila, no. Sambuwood Timbers, no. Tienen sila un ganao pati un loss 1-1.
1-1.
Okay, so likewise, ito dito sa Divisoria Lexan, meron na po silang 0 win and 2 losses.
Oh, pero abangan natin mamaya.
Abangan natin.
Oo.
Especially yung Divisoria, no? Ayaw nilang magpatalo. They want to aiming, kumbaga, first win, no, for ZBL.
Season 2.
Yun,
Ayan.
Season 2, ayun.
Okay, bigyan natin ng para kay Cherry. Cherry, go ahead.
Buenas.
Buenas tardes, partner. Buenas tardes na mabibentas na Zamboanga Live kita na SCC East Campus Gymnasium para na CBL Season 2. This is our 11th day for CBL. So, hundo ko natin ara, assistant coach del team Sambuwood Timbers na si Coach Ramon Aram. So, Coach, good evening.
Good evening, ba? Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. So, Coach, this is your third game, Coach. And during those 2 games, siya ganay ustedes team iya perde también. So, cosa ustedes siya prepara ahora para man-achieve el de ustedes second game?
Actually, very strict to yayok. Habla na yung team yung coach, si Darwin Dais, get well soon. Well, actually, prepara kami di among depensa. El di among shooting. Almost every night kami tam practice para saka kami victory this game. Ohala, dali ka namon El Diyos, Gia, and then di amon mga coaching staff, di amon mga audience. Importante yung mga audience kasi taligat sila mga inspirasyon. So we hope and pray gana kami saka kami di amon Victoria ara.
So, gracias God, Coach. Good luck to you and to your team, Coach.
Thank you very big.
Hudo tampian ko naton ara el coach del team Divisoria Lexa na si Coach RJ Bagares. Good evening, sir.
Buenas.
So this is también ustedes third game. So coach ko sa ustedes preparation ahora since no gana ustedes team from the last game.
Yan practice lang kami tapos yan double effort kami na damon depensa para pwede kami kana juego pati man play as a team lang kami. Man rotate el bola para hindi igual de las kanya-kanya luego para ara pwede kami kana luego. Gracias.
Gracias God coach. Good luck to you and your team coach. So uto también ko natin el team captain del team Sambud Timbers na si Sir Nasher Alam. So good evening sir. So sir ko sa ustedes también preparations as a team captain.
Igual lang namin habla di amon team coach. Ya not just kami do di amon mali. Ya asa kami tama pati na-prepara kami para na Divisoria.
Gracias God sir. Good luck to you and to your team sir. So, ito también ko natin, el team captain del team Divisoria Alexa na si Sir James Tose. So, sir, ko sa ustedes, tanfeel ba ustedes excited or tanfeel pressured for this game?
Di ba kami tanfeel pressured, ma'am, bali. Di amon lang, ma'am, asi lang kami game plan di amon, kaya lang na mga coaches and dali lang kumpiyansa na sarili, ma'am. Walang kel.
Gracias, God, sir. Good luck to you and to your team, sir. CBL Season 2, Liga del Pueblo de Atoneste. Back to you, guys.
Zamboanga Basketball League Season 2 team, the Lipe Cup, is produced and organized by eMedia Sports TV, headed by Bel C. Agustin. ZBL Season 2 Commissioner Gilbert Manuel, Assistant Commissioner Dr. Pompey Torres, and Match Commissioner Adeline Sebastian. Battle between Zamboanga Timbers versus Divisoria Lexan. Now let's meet the starting five for your Zamboanga Timbers. Wearing jersey number 14, Nasir John Alam. Jersey number 15, Ebson San Luis. Jersey number 23, Dale De Los Reyes. Jersey number 22, Daniel Apolinario. And jersey number 43, Joshua Philip Laplana. Head coach for your Zamboanga Timbers, Darwin Dais. Assistant coach, Ramon Aram. Now let's meet the starting five for your Divisoria Lexan. Wearing jersey number 1, Franz Andre Macapili. Jersey number 3, Prince Torres. Jersey number 22, John Bernard Alvarez. Jersey number 2, Hadizar Amir Habib Hassan. And jersey number 4, Crib Asher Gonzalez. Head coach for your Divisoria Lexan, June Pasion. Our officiating officials, Crew Chief Abner Tuayon, Umpire 1, Ricky Rodriguez, Umpire 2, Vince Toralba, Scorekeeper, Zandra Villanosa, Timer, Janice De La Peña. It's ZBL time!
Magandang hapon po mga ka-bowlers. It's ZBL time, Season 2 po ng Zamboanga Basketball League dito sa Southern City Colleges Coliseum Swiss Campus, Divisoria. Ayan po, every 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Saturday and Sunday. Kung gusto nyo manood, ako po si John Penoy Ibrahim. Kasama ko po si
DJ Sam Silani.
Kami po ang inyong lingkod. Mag-aabot sa inyo ng bakbakan ngayong hapon. Divisoria laban sa Zamboanga. Itong Zamboanga galing sa 1-1. Ito naman Divisoria is galing sa 0-2. Oo, DJ. Ano bang magagawa ng Divisoria ngayong hapon?
Well, ipapakita nyo in part of Divisoria, no? As coach, no? Sergeant, no, we have to focus muna sa depensa natin kasi sabi nila rather, no, a good defense is a good offense.
Opo. Yung kabila naman ng Zamboanga.
Yung Zamboanga naman, no, they have to stick with their game plan, no? Especially when they want over, ano yung kalaban nila dati, if I'm not mistaken, that was kontra, ano ba yan, Prof?
Oo, na medyo na-miss na natin.
Ayun na, pero ganun pa rin, no? So as coaches, kung saan po tayong nanalo, especially, and I'm referring to the person o kaya players, yun din ang gagamitin natin sa susunod.
Okay, oo, pero anyway, magpapasalamat muna kami sa Zamboanga Basketball League ZBL Season 2 Team Dalipe Cup is produced and organized by Imedia Sports TV. Headed by Belcy Agustin, ZBL Season 2 Commissioner Gilbert Manuel. Yan, of course, si Kuya G at saka si Kuya B. Assistant Commissioner Dr. Pompey Torres. Match Commissioner ang pinakamagandang Adeline Sebastian. Together with our co-producers and partners, All TV, Mayor John Dalipe, Congressman Manix Dalipe. Of course, ang YN Construction Builders and Supply, Triple H Construction, Vendemil Construction, Expo Home Depot, Southern City College's Home of the Bulldogs, Zamboanga Puriculture Hospital, EMT Providers, Albury Advertising, King's Laundry, Queen's Laundry, Boboy Aragones King Paid Trade Center, of course, ang aming damit, JT Sports Marketing, walang iba. Thank you kay John Tandy.
Yes, John Tandy. No, thank you so much for JT Sports Marketing. Ayun, Sir John, magsukul kayo mo, Sir John.
Magsukul to. And then the ZBL also would like to thank Season 2 Team Dalipe Cup is sponsored by Grand Astoria Hotel, Sunflower Food Center, Cecil's Catering Services, RF Mariano's Catering, AMR Treats, Alabar Seafoods Restaurant, This Cakes and Pastries, Nature Spring, OMG Milkshake, Milk Tea and Coffee. Of course, thank you rin sa RNR Ice Cream Corner, Tazagopi, One Zine Advertising, Roll the Ball BAP Federation, S3 Print and Apparel, at ang ating major sponsor, walang iba kundi si District 2 City Councilor James Siason.
Yung mga sponsors natin, no? Without the sponsors, nothing this league is impossible.
Oo. Bakbakan po ngayong hapon ng Divisoria versus Sambuwood Timbers. Of course, yan, makikita natin dyan si Alam, si San Luis, si Apolinario, si Lapana, de los Reyes. Itong mga bata, watch out for these guys, oh. So makikita-kita nyo mamaya-maya. Siyempre, ang Divisoria ay hindi magpapatalo. Itong mga batang line-up.
Opo, gaya ni Gonzales, no? Andyan din si Alvarez, lalo na. No, tsaka si Orihardo din, no? Tsaka si Paulo Reyes. So expect from these players, no, to come up in the wrap-up game.
Oo, kanina lang po, ang ganda ng laban, no?
Opo.
Versus Maasim.
Maasim versus the Santa Maria. From the first quarter down to the fourth quarter po, no?
Pero nanaig
ang Vitron Maasim.
Oo, kumbaga may asim pa.
Opo.
Oo, may asim pa. Ang coach nila, of course, ang kinang coach si Kuya.
We'll give credit both two coaches, no? Very famous coaches. No?
Yes.
We observed that from first quarter down to fourth quarter, there was a counter, was this kumbaga defense, no? As coaches.
Oo, kaya sabi ko nga, maasim pa si Kuya Bogart. May asim pa talaga. Kaya nanalo po ang maasim laban kanina sa Santa Maria RBI.
Opo.
Anyway po mga kaibigan, balik po tayo dito sa laro ng Sambuwood versus Divisoria. 6-1-6. 8-4 in favor of Sambuwood Timbers. Of course, nandyan si Cap Harito.
Yes, Cap. Buenas tardes contigo allí.
Sobra-sobrang suporta niya sa kanyang team. Masigasig na kapitan ng Sambuwood, si Cap Harito. Kasama niya ang kanyang misis.
Opo.
At every time na may laro ang Sambuwood, nandiyan po palagi si Cap Harito.
Speaking of the fans, no, Sir John, no, in the size of Timberwolves, no, Sambuwood, ang dami ring fans. Gaya din ng Divisoria, ang dami din sa kabila.
Oo.
Kapit-bahay itong dalawa.
Magkapit-bahay po, malapit lang yan, Sambuwood at Divisoria. Anyway, 8-4 in favor of Sambuwood. Abangan natin kung sino yung magwawagi sa dalawang ito. Ayan.
So, bola po ngayon ng Divisoria Lexan po. Ang number po, may talang bola ngayon.
Si Gonzales
si
yan.
Gonzales.
Dalawang magkapatid yan.
So, may foul po doon sa ilalim.
Oo, nandiyan din si anyway, balik tayo sa laro on the free throw line.
First free throw. Wala po, hindi pumasok.
Mintis. Divisoria player number 7.
Number 7 is
pasok.
Olihardo.
Okay, ang free throw na yan is brought to you by JT Sports Marketing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, De Los Reyes bringing the ball. Dediretso ba yan? Nawala ang bola.
So, bola po ngayon ng Divisoria. Nagmamadali po. Pull up jam. Yes,
okay,
sir.
Another Gonzales yan. 0-0. Magkapatid.
Magkapatid pala ito, no?
Oo.
0-0 and number 4. Gonzales.
Laplanag. San Luis! Yes! Etong batang to, si San Luis, Ebson San Luis.
Yes,
ang
sir.
pinakamatangkad naglaro ngayon sa ZBL. Oo, batang-bata ito. 2 points by him. Yan, ang Sambuwood. 10-7. Yan, si Gonzales na naman.
Gonzales. Pick it out. Wala po.
Okay, bola ng Sambuwood. Coach,
yes, sir.
Magpapasalamat din ako sa aking asawa.
Yun! Ang may bahay natin. Go ahead!
Mga anak, ang asawa ko si Judilee. At saka yung anak ko si Kokong, si Pongpong, si Yayong. Puro yung yan eh.
Yung, no?
Si Sunog. Sorry, yun lang. Yung isa, si Sunog.
Opo.
Okay. Nakalimutan ko yung iba. Jijorong. Ayan. At saka, syempre, ang nanay at tatay ko po, dyan sa Tawi-Tawi.
Opo. Assalamualaikum. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Sir Ma'am.
Oo, maraming salamat. Adarna Ibrahim, ng nanay ko po. At saka ang tatay ko, Hazan Bacon. Yan, nanonood po sila.
Yes.
And of course, sa mga Penoy Boys.
Okay.
Nanonood yan every season, every Saturday and Sunday. Dyan sa may Penoy. Katulad ni Rap Khalil Ibanez. Estarapol, A6, Vince Clapis, Arwian Comeros, Lucky Sambalod, Aaron Shane Ramos, Erico Jake Cabaral, Ibsnirizam, and Arkam Akil. Ito mga batang to Penoy Boys yan.
Okay, Penoy Boys, good evening. Lahat po dyan.
Oo.
Okay, Sir John, kanina po, 10-all po tayo. First deadlock of the ball game.
Ayan, oo. Anyway, magbibigay update sa atin ang ating magandang si Lynn. Oo. Go ahead, Lynn.
Asigo nag-coach dahil sa buong Timbers, man focus na depensa. I-relax lang muna kahit prinsipya pa lang el juego. Man make sure na pwede man rebound and assist. Back to you guys.
Oo, depensa lang daw. Relax. Siyempre, kailangan mo talaga mag-relax sa basketball para naman manalo. Yan naman.
Tama. Kailangan, hindi ka gigil eh.
Okay, another courtside reporter natin, si Ma'am Cherry.
Second good coach del team Divisoria Lexan, more on defense sila, iman focus na wego para pwede man offense, i-box out ang BNL necesita. Man-apas ng BNL bola para pwede man steal, man rebound.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Oo. Focus on the ball game.
Yes, tama. Sabi ni coach.
Habulin ng bola. Pag nakahabol ng bola, syempre, lahat tayo dito sa basketball, ang hinahabol natin, isa lang naman eh. Yung bola na yan.
Opo, kumbaga yung bola, yung may asawa natin sa basketball. Ingatan natin.
Iingatan, yung bola na yan. Diyan nag-aagawan yung players ng ZBL Boys.
Yes,
okay, mga bowlers, anytime pwede kayong pumunta rito sa Southern City Colleges every 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Saturday and Sunday, para manood ng live ng ZBL dito sa Season 2 Team Dalipe Cup.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Cap, bola ng Sambuwood. Dalagya. Tumira ng 3-point shot pero wala.
Okay. So, bola po ngayon ng Divisoria. Okay. So, number 7 po ang may tala ng bola, si Orialdo. Looking for a pass. Gonzales. Looking for a pass. Pinasa po.
Gonzales din yan.
Gonzales din. Magkakapatid po to. Kick out for 3. Yes, sir! 3 points. And these 3 points is brought to you by
JT Sports
Marketing.
Yan.
Yes, sir!
Of course, ang King's Laundry and Queen's Laundry, Albury Advertising, ang mga sponsor natin dito sa ZBL.
Yes, maraming salamat po.
Okay, pa-shout out sa asawa ni Jeremy, si RC, and then sa Dan Dulit at ang family, Lorente, at ang Masjid Penoy Boy. Solid kami dito. Of course, nandyan si Taupik, nandyan si Mongs, and si Rep at ang butihin namin na nagdadala ng moske dyan sa Penoy Masjid, walang iba kundi si Urug. Ayan po mga kaibigan, Sambuwood players, yan, De Los Reyes, 2 points po yan.
Okay, so bola po ngayon ng Divisoria. Ang score po natin ay 18-15 in favor of Sambuwood. So ang bola ngayon nasa kay Orido. Passes out.
3-point shot.
3, nothing there.
Oh, alam. Tumatawid, nakaapak ng linya. Timeout is brought to you by Bendemil Construction, YN Construction Builders and Supply.
Yes, Sir John.
Oo, yan yung mga.
So, nakikita natin, Sir John, no? Sa umpisa lamang sa first quarter, I'm speaking of the defense, yung defense mo nila, no? So, they're making use of the zone defense muna. Wala muna nakita natin any such pressure defense.
Oo, dapat lang. Ganun lang. Medyo...
sa Chabacano pa yan, tansa muna.
Tansa. Sa Tagalog, tansya-tansyahan din yan eh.
Tansya-tansyahan din.
Oo, tansya-tansyahan muna tayo. Si Torres, oh.
Opo. So, bola ngayon ng Divisoria.
Oy, traveling by Tosi.
Traveling po yung traveling.
Oo. Si Tosi, si Tos. Nag-travel.
Opo.
Anyway,
kaya nag-travel yun, alam mo, Sir John, nagdadalawang isip. Kaya ito.
Because of the defense of Sambuwood team.
Applied. Tama.
Okay, Bisitasyon. Binigay kay Bisitasyon uli. Diretso ba yan? Okay. 3-point shot by Sambuwood. Wala. Naga. Pushing. There was a foul. Sabi ng referee, pushing. Kitang-kita. Okay, ang dami pong nanonood dito. Another 3-point shot. Wala man lang tinaman.
Bola po ngayon ng Divisoria. Number 10. Passes to number 7, Orido. Downstairs. Looking for a pass. Bola pa rin po ng Divisoria.
So,
there was a block shot over there. Agawan po ng bola. Bola po ng Divisoria ngayon. Passes out. It was a turnover po.
Si Tosi.
Divisoria. Sayang po yun. Dapat sana, Sir John, hindi siya magmamadali. He has to kick out.
Actually, Coach.
And call a play set.
Itong mga bata to, kaya nagmamadali. Bata pa yan. Tayo, medyo may edad na po kami rito. Bisitasyon. Nagbigay ng screen. Sambuwood. San Luis. Oh, hindi pa rin.
So, bola po ng Divisoria. Number 10, nagmamadali po 2. Wala po, kapos ang tiro. Follow-up shot. And there was a foul downstairs by number... Sino po to? Number 12. Sinong number 12? Sir John? Of Zamboanga Timbers. Ayun, nilabas muna pansamandali, no? Yung
nilabas muna si Terrado.
Si Perado.
Okay, Sharif Idrus Terrado. Tirador pala to eh. Anyway, Zaragoza is on the line for Divisoria.
Second free throw, yes sir.
Ang free throw po is brought to you.
Number 10.
Ang free throw na yan ay brought to you by Mayor John
Zaragoza
Dalipe.
Po yun kanina.
Visitasyon, that's 2 points.
Okay, so bola po ngayon ng Divisoria. Kinasa po to number 10,
Zaragoza.
Zaragoza to number 9,
Tuesday.
Kick it out. 4-3, no, wala.
Ayan, visitasyon, nagmamadali. 2 puntos na naman yan. Wala.
Sigawan.
There was a foul. Yan po. Grabe itong mga batang to. Dagalea, foul.
Ang daming fans sa kabilang kupunan, Sir Jan. Sigawan dito.
Penalty na po.
So, penalty na po ang Sambuwood Timbers.
Okay, si San Luis nilabas. Wala pong nagagawa kanina pa si San Luis. So ayan.
Ricardo po, first attempt. Yes, sir.
Pinalitan ni Sakam si San Luis ng Sambuwood.
So, tingnan natin sa second attempt ni Urihaldo. Wala po this time.
May kasamang foul.
And this one is brought to you by
of course,
JT Sports Marketing.
Ayan.
Zaragoza on the free throw line for first attempt. Yes, sir.
Pasok.
He converted in 1.
Pasok ang free throw.
Opo, ni Zaragoza.
Okay, Tiangco. Binigay kay Naga. Naubusan ng wala na pong oras ang first quarter. Deadlock, 20.
Yes, this is the second deadlock of the ball game, Sir John. 20 all.
Oo, tabla ang laban. Ang ganda ng laban mula kanina.
This is a good match-up. Good match-up.
Oo. So, I'm happy that the Divisoria make the deadlock. Of course, ang Sambuwood is eyeing for the second win. Ito naman ng Divisoria is eyeing for the
first win, no? For the CBL, no? Season 2.
Kailangan nila manalo para hindi sila malaglag sa standing.
Opo.
Siyempre, ang Sambuwood, team ko po yan. Kasama ko si Cap Parito.
Yes, Cap Parito.
Second quarter na po. Sa mga nanonood sa kanilang bahay at nakikinig sa 105.9, every Saturday and Sunday, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, pwede po kayo pumunta sa Divisoria Southern City Colleges Coliseum. Ayan po mga kaibigan, deadlock po tayo, Sambuwood versus Divisoria.
Yes sir, this is our second deadlock of the ball game.
Magpapasalamat po kami sa R&R Ice Cream Corner, Daza Coffee, One Sign Advertising, Roll the Ball, BAP Federation, ang aming
Ramigliano. Pinasa po to number 9, Alexander.
Yes, of course. Pasalamat din po kami sa S3 Print and Apparel. Of course, ang major sponsor natin, si Councilor James Yazon ng District 2. Magaling din to mag-basketball. Uy, ang ganda, oh.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Magandang dilag na sa screen po tayo.
Saan yung maganda? Yung may salamin o wala?
Nasa gitna.
Nasa gitna.
Sa gitna, of course. Okay talaga to si Sir G, no? Yung commissioner natin. Yun ang paborito ni Sir DJ.
Porket may salamin, yung nakita ko may salamin eh.
Ganun ba?
Wala man salamin si Coach DJ, yun ang nakita niya sa gitna.
Oo. Hey, that's for fun.
Okay, free throw line. Wala.
bola po ng Divisoria. Nagmamadali po ang Divisoria. Pinasa po to number 7. Rojido, yes sir! 2 points for Zaragoza.
Okay. Alam, one of the best player of Sambuod right now. Yung last conference, yung tatay na yung naglaro. Pero ngayon, this conference, anak ang naglaro. Magaling itong batang to. Pero we have to watch out. May error po ang Sambuod.
So there was an interception po. Bola po ngayon ng Divisoria. Passes to number 9, Jose. Jose for 2.
Tose.
May foul po doon sa ilalim po.
May foul, free throw.
So, Tose po nasa free throw line for his first attempt. Yes sir, pumasok po ang first attempt ni Jose.
Ang free throw ni Jose, ni Tose is brought to you by Grand Story Hotel and Sunflower Foods Center.
Yes.
Second free throw on the line. Pasok.
Yes, pasok pa rin ang second free throw ni Tose.
Again, is brought to you by Cecil's Catering Service, RF Mariano's Catering, AMR Treats, Alabar Seafood Restaurant, Viz Cakes and Pastries, Nature Spring, OMG Milkshake and Milk Coffee, Milk Tea and Coffee. Okay, ayan,
so
ang dami nanonood sa atin, DJ.
Dami.
Okay, gusto nyo manood, punta lang po sa ZBL, sa Bay Divisoria.
Asahan talaga natin, Sir John, no? Kapag maglaro yung East Coast, asahan natin, ang dami talagang fans.
Ang dami. Ang dami naglalaro dito. Ang daming nanonood pala.
Opo.
Sa Divisoria. May timeout?
Oo, habang may timeout, Sir John, ako naman, babati ako, no? So, shout out, no, sa aking may bahay, si Edna, Tantam Silani. Also with the only daughter that I have, Sir John, si Basida.
Okay.
No, Tantam Silani po, no? Okay, so kanyo doon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ayan mga kabakayan, mangkamo mamaya manood basketball. Live po sa Imedia Digital TV dito po sa